Welcome. So today I'll go over unboxing of the I would say new Sony WH100 or 1000 XM3s, but to be honest, they're not necessarily new. There's like XM4s, so these are a little bit behind, but still, as you can see, brand new. It's a nice little gift. So yeah, let's go over those. Can I like not break this, or do I have to cut it? Let me just grab my little tool. There we go. Now we can rip it easily. One thing that I kind of like that Sony does is their packaging does go all around, but you can just kind of rip it easily from the top where it has a hole for this little hanger. Now in terms of packaging, it honestly feels identical to the MX4. So not much difference there. And actually, before I go into the actual headsets, I'm going to touch upon a couple infos that are visible right here. So we have 360 reality audio, which I believe refers to the when you like cup the cup itself. It does the pass through, which has some kind of like, I guess, the 360 effect. Though I'm kind of guessing. I haven't looked into this. We have Google Assistant and built-in Alexa. We have high-res audio, 30 hours battery life. Obviously Bluetooth, I'm not sure what's even included here. Wireless active noise cancelling. And anything else here? Okay, it gives us a little bit of a guide on the touch gestures that are on the cup. There is no markings on the cup itself, so it's kind of nice. You can see it right here how we can use those. Otherwise you can't really look at the headphones and figure it out from there. There's literally nothing on them apart from NFC logo. Because one thing that they actually do also have is NFC, which allows you to quickly connect it to your device. So anyway, let's just take it out. So once you slide it out, there's nothing in here. Have a little bit of the paper, easy setup, different languages. Download the app. We have QR code for the app right here, and that's about it. Now, I'll mention the app that they advertise right here is not a necessity, so you don't actually need to download it, which I will show in a second. And in here, I guess we get some warranty and instructions and so on, so I'm not even gonna go into it. Now, just as the XM4s, and I cannot really say for the previous ones because I didn't actually ever touch the previous ones, this one comes with this carrying pouch, which I do have to say it's really nice. It is hard, as you can see. So you can toss it in a luggage and not worry about it being completely smashed and your headphones breaking in there. Though it's not necessarily anything like super hard, as you can see. So with a lot of force, it will kind of just kink the case. Now in here, we get obviously the headset itself, nicely folded. We get some cable. We get an adapter for playing, so you can use your headset right there. And there's also a cable for it right over here. And because of that, it looks like you can also use them wired, so that's nice. If I don't know if your battery runs out, I don't think they will give you noise cancelling, but maybe you can still listen to them. So that's something that you probably need to check out once your battery actually dies. And here we got pitifully short Type-C cable for charging. Now this is actually just like kind of hilariously short. That's what she said. Anyway, and here we get the headset or headphones, and I'm gonna pack them. Now one thing that I really like about these is, as you can see, they do fold inwards with these cups. So when you hang them on your shoulders or like on your neck, number one, the cups for me, just kind of the padding rests on my collarbones, so that is splendid. I'm not the fattest guy on the planet, as you can see. And some headsets, for some stupid reason, do it the other way around, where the bare plastic just kind of like bumps on your bones and stuff like that, which I don't really like. I much rather have it this way, so when you take it off, they nicely and comfortably rest. Now there's also some like fairly decent amount of padding right here, which I don't remember seeing in the XM4s. Maybe it was done a little bit tighter, because this one is kind of like floppy, as you can see, you can kind of grab it. But anyway, I'm gonna quickly grab my phone right here, and I'm gonna turn on NFC, just so you can see how easy it is to pair them. So you can see there's the NFC logo. Come on, there we go, there's a vibration. Pair with the Bluetooth device WH-1000XM3 pair, and we're done, we're already paired. So if I go into my Bluetooth devices, you should be able to see it right here, although it just popped up with it again. So I'm gonna confirm it, and now it is connected. It also pops up with the Google Assistant right here, so I can use it, but I'm not gonna bother with it. Obviously, these have one of the better ones, better noise cancelling on the market, so that's one of the benefits of these headphones. And yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna say for the brief unboxing. I'm not really gonna go into the sound testing and stuff like that. Obviously they're fairly good in terms of this sound. Noise cancelling is also good. They have this sound pass-through, which is also really nice. In general, honestly, they're one of the better headphones that goes around your ear on the market. And personally, those are one of the ones that I prefer, or if you prefer something less bulky, because they are quite hefty, as you can see. I believe the Bose's Quiet Comfort, like, what is it, 45, I think right now, might be a little bit smaller. Apparently they also have a better noise cancelling, but in terms of sound, from what I heard, these will be better. So obviously the choice is yours, which ones you prefer more. Both of them are premium in terms of quality and just in general. These one cost like what, about about $200 or so, including the tax. While Bose's, which I just said, like the Quiet Comfort, what is it, 45, I think the newest ones, will probably cost way more, somewhere around like 300 bucks. So they will be more expensive, but remember, these are XM3s, not XM4s. So obviously they're the last gen, so there will be a little bit of a discounted price, but still a really great pick. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.